Cisco Firepower and HashiCorp's Terraform series, Infrastructure as Code, focusing on day 0 and day 1 deployments. This one's network objects. So let's jump into FMC. We can see our network objects here. Let's go check out the code on DevNet. And you can see here they're pulling an existing object and then they're renaming it and using the same fields. And then there is an option to create a new object, and I'm going to do that as well. So let's go ahead and check out some of our var.tf and terraform.tf vars, as we have in many other videos. And now let's jump into the meat of it, into main.tf. We can see here we've remmed out the first one, and we're going to create 3 objects. And then we're going to have an output of each one of those objects. Pretty simple. So let's go ahead and run initialization of Terraform. And then let's go ahead and run our apply, which will give us an opportunity to have that plan or understanding of what changes are going to take place. Looks good. Let's go ahead and implement those changes. We're creating objects. And there's our output. Okay, let's go and make sure that we see that within Firepower. Let's do a quick refresh here and maybe scrub or filter the data. T is not a great example since everything's almost got a T in it, seems. But here at the end, you can see we've got our 3 objects of each one of those networks. And as always, let's make sure we can reverse those changes. So let's go ahead here and run Terraform destroy with the auto approve. So this allows us to run it without having to enter yes and acknowledge the change. So that's going through. That's outlined all of our changes, and it's now destroying those objects. And hopefully we get success here. And I believe it's 3 objects that should be destroyed. And there they are. Easy peasy. Come in here. Let's do a quick refresh. Scroll to the bottom. And there we go. So that's it. Pretty easy to implement network objects.